Bring it for what it is. Huh?
She'll be with us now. That was me and my wife.
Oh, Bird.
Same place with us.
Yeah, good.
Hey, we gotta do the little reach thing we did. I can't go.
How we gonna get it taken?
Overtime. I'm on the pound right now.
Bird.
You gotta get us something together.
They're not ready to swim. Y'all drink some food.
Man, I did that club on my that shit was stout as fuck.
It was like
Keep saying the same thing.
We got to that place in 15 minutes.
your nails.
You got it. What's good, brother? And my people looking for it. I'm gonna let them know. Yeah. It's crazy, bro. This Gabby right here, she about to be a model, y'all.
Oh, you vlogging?
She giving vibes. She giving vibes. She giving vibes, man.
So you vlog?
Yeah. You got YouTube? You got you on the internet right now?
I have Instagram.
Oh, okay, yeah. I be on the gram a little bit, but not for sure. Not
Like you do on TikTok and YouTube?
I mean, I'm starting to get on TikTok, but like I don't really like TikTok for whatever reason. It's just I don't know.
Yeah, YouTube is the way to go.
Yeah,
I feel like for long term.
Yeah,
like,
exactly,
really
exactly. And yeah, really.
I am
build
internet
something.
savvy. Like,
Yeah.
I know. I used
sure.
to be on social media a lot.
But nah, yeah, you give like model vibes though for sure.
Don't do that. I love that.
You might want to get into that.
I know.
What you be posting on your gram?
Nothing really. Like literally, this is what it looks like.
You wildin'.
I know. Like I will post nothing. Like I'll just have like one picture and then random photos that I didn't take. And then I have another IG where it's just me writing and being, because I'm a therapist.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I just like talk about feelings and I'll like post things and I'll just
Your
talk
shit
about
be going
emotions.
crazy though.
Like,
You tripping?
no. Or like this, graduated from my master's. Like, okay. Like,
Yeah.
I'm a nerd. I don't know.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
You can we can follow each other though.
Yeah, we should, right?
I'm on a live right now though.
Oh, okay,
You'll have to, like,
Oh
put
my
my
God,
shit
hi
in.
live. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you want me to?
Fam.
I'm in Jamaica.
This Jackson.
Ask us what happened?
Yo, fam, broski's a PT. Broski's a PT with a DJI.
Let's lock it in, bro. Yeah, he just told me about that. Yeah,
You recorded my gym concert just now.
yeah. Bro, we get some shit in. Let's get some
What
shit
are you
in.
doing tonight?
Huh?
What are you doing tonight?
What? Nothing. Well, we going to eat. That's about it.
Okay, we're gonna be
tomorrow. Lock in tomorrow.
Okay, no, I need to find this guy like tomorrow though. Like
You got IG?
Yeah, okay, what's your
Yeah,
IG?
let's do that.
I have a DJ. I literally recording content just now.
Yo,
Like, in the
yo,
gym.
Full session, fam.
Yeah.
Nah, that shit crazy.
How do you like it? How do you like it so far?
Shit, boy, this shit smooth.
Amazing. Where you from?
Louisiana?
Louisiana.
Yeah. Where y'all from?
Where do you think?
Huh?
Where do you think?
I told him, low key.
You remember?
I don't.
He don't
I don't fucking remember.
Come on,
Where
man.
do you think?
Where do you think? Yeah. Where do you think?
That's me. I'm gonna follow you when I get my phone back.
Y'all definitely up north though.
Yeah, yes, but like we're up north.
Well, no, let me see.
Across the border from you guys.
What's good? What's good?
Damn.
Down the border.
Somewhere up north.
North America.
Let me see. Let me
I'm gonna
think.
give you one guess.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
South of the sea.
No. More
Start with a C though.
More specific than that.
Damn.
T-Dot. The 6. Drake.
Ah, for sure. Them boys definitely got that
yeah.
Toronto accent though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Louisiana.
Louisiana? Hell yeah.
To the work concert?
Huh?
To the workout?
Hell yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's get some shit.
All
Let's
right.
run it.
I love that you're talking, but no,
Yeah.
it's
Oh, y'all got an intense little game?
Yeah, we got played. But
Yeah.
some bias. We need a new referee. All right, so I'm gonna message you. We might work out again 2 days.
Bet.
Record session.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Right now, we need a referee because she's biased.
See,
She asked me what happened. We gotta teach.
yeah.
All right, so you know football.
Yeah.
You know 3 downs, throwing that shit. You'll figure it out.
Right.
Hell
Hell yeah. Yeah, sir, bro.
Changing up the camera.
Nah, for sure.
I got a camera right upstairs.
Yeah, hell yeah. I be vlogging out this shit all the
All
time.
right, we're gonna run around.
You be on your YouTube shit? Yeah.
No.
Hey, lit.
No, too much. No, go to your side. No.
Yeah.
Side. All the men to your side. All the men to your side.
Yeah. Encroachment on the defense. Yeah. See the broke.
In between, what kind of broke you talk about, brother? Any broke we are broken a girl belly.
You right though. Yeah.
Black man, brother.
Yeah.
Never see a broke. Man, never see a broke.
Yeah.
A broken a girl.
Yeah. Nah, that's deep. I appreciate that. I needed that. Oh. How many you got? Oh.
I know you can't broke him body weight.
Yeah.
Every time I go, we up there, sir. I'm 16, train me when the man I do it, man, I go come. I jump up the top. And I'm tell you, I said that one the shot. And I want to palm off the come, man. That one, yeah. It's like going tall. See that? It's like going tall. Come on, fire ground.
Vibes out here. I was trying to see what I was back this way. What time y'all getting up? Or everybody just getting up on their own time? I ain't got time to be waiting on nobody. That's a mixed drink. Him the boy. That's a mixed drink.
Nah.
What's that?
We're once.
Get that from, bro.
Order.
Hey, it's hitting, bro. I ain't gonna stop.
I ain't gonna lie, whoever lied and said their food, they were food on good, they damn lie.
Yeah, because it ain't that bad. If I can eat it, I know it ain't that bad. So,
I fuck with it.
I mean, because they got to get on the cake too, and I hate it different.
I can't come food with 5.
Oh, that's a better view. Huh? I thought you said something.